Good day. Cement is coming on Friday to pour in. I did a couple anchors. Those gonna be sticking out just a little bit right after the framing is gonna be. That's in case I need to tighten something down, like a car, I need to pull it, whatever. So I can tighten it down from one side to another. I did a couple doors. It's better to do it now that cement is not there yet. Also, I run some plumbing. That's for the XC outside. We got for the sink, toilet, possible shower, and the water coming in from the main. So, quick little view. And here, all draining on the same direction. Draining on the same direction. So they're all gonna be draining on that direction, all of them. So that's in case I decide to make something over here that's already pre-done at least. And then I don't have to feel sorry I didn't do it. Friday we get cement here and see how everything goes.